Okay, I'll do a little bit of answering the questions of why have I not been posting in a long time. It's because I've been really busy. End of the school year, I had finals, so I had to buckle down for them. And then this summer, it's just been run like a chicken with my head cut off. And hold on a second. But I'll answer you guys' questions. Krueger Family Farms, the YouTube channel, is not going anywhere. We actually have hay season 2025 getting ready to kick off, so I'm hoping to get some good footage of that for all y'all. Not drone footage, because I don't have a drone. I'm gonna be doing phone footage like I am right now. But I've been so busy with work and everything. I don't have time to be posting. I'm sorry, I just don't have the time to post right now. So I haven't posted in about a month, and that's why. Just because I've been so busy with everything and work and stuff around the farm here. I just try to make time, and I just don't have the time. Okay, so yeah, if I'm answering your questions of will I be posting more? Yes, I'll try to start recording more if I have time. A lot of it'll probably be Farming Simulator when I'm on the Xbox, which is not that often in the summer because I'm just so busy with outside stuff. But I might get some rotary mowing footage with the tractor, doing some heavy brush cutting with that, or heavier brush cutting, hopefully, and mowing. Hopefully get some hay cutting. Hopefully raking and baling. Hopefully I can get some cutting, raking, and baling footage for you guys. And I'm sorry that I've been posting this. Right now, I just haven't had the time to post. I'll try to start making the time, but I just haven't had it lately, just because just haven't had the time to post. Do I want to post more? Yes, I do. Do I have the time to post more? Right now, I've been trying to get this video out for the longest time, and I just haven't had the time, so I just wanted to update you guys on out. Hold on, I'm in the forklift right now. Okay, so I got moved to the new spot where we're at right now with the forklift. But, yeah, I'll try to get some good hay cutting and baling footage. Some hopefully moving hay in footage. I'll try to get more footage in general. I'll probably try to start recording more on Farming Simulator, because that's the main thing I play right now. I mean, I've been trying to get footage for you guys. I just haven't had the time. I mean, you can see I'm really dirty right now from work. Just today alone, so I just been too busy, and I'm sorry for that. I know the Krueger Family Farms YouTube channel is not going anywhere. It's still here. It will not go anywhere. But no, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting. I'll try to be better about it. I just haven't had the time to post lately. Which actually makes me upset with myself that I haven't been able to post for you guys, which, trust me, I really want to be able to post. I just haven't had the time to post for you guys. Trust me, I want to be able to be posting more. It's all a time thing, and I haven't had the time, so I'm sorry for not being great about posting lately. I mean, it's been busy ever since end of the school year, which is coming up on, actually it's a month ago now. It's been non-stop run ever since. And I'll try to start getting some better footage. So that's pretty much my update video on why I have not been posting. It's not intentional of me not posting, just I have not had the time to post. I'm sorry for that. So I will try to do better on posting. Trust me, I will. Don't think I won't. I will try to do better. Just time. Right now with hay season getting ready to kick off for us, time is of essence of trying to get hay made dry, because they're calling for a half-inch of rain today, 100% chance, half-inch of rain, which wasn't even in the forecast at the beginning of this week, and they're calling for 40 tomorrow, which I was hoping to cut hay tomorrow, or I was hoping to get hay cut tomorrow. Me and my great uncle are hoping to get stuff cut down and hopefully baled by this weekend. So it's just a whole time thing, and if I don't get footage of cutting and baling hay, I'm sorry. Maybe even raking a little bit, I don't know. But I might be doing a little bit of raking this year at the Kubota again. So yeah, if I get the raking footage, if I'm raking, you guys will get footage, trust me. I can pretty much promise you guys will get footage of me cutting hay. There's no question about it. Or, I mean, not me cutting hay, but me raking. Okay, so yeah, there's nothing happening to Krueger Family Farms, the YouTube channel. It's just I have been too busy to post, and I'm sorry for that. It's not that I don't want to post. It's a whole time thing. Just like the rest of the story Travis said, take care, take it easy, keep in touch, and I'll catch back up with you later. Also, if I'm gonna give a shout out to Travis, the rest of the story, for being one of the best farming YouTubers out there. Same with How Farms Work, his brother Ryan. If I could have you guys go over and sub to them, I'd really appreciate it, and I know they would too. And go through and watch a few of the videos and like, comment, subscribe if you want. But as Travis from the rest of the story said, take care, take it easy, keep in touch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All to Krueger Family Farms. With that, I'll see you next time. But actually, go over. I'm gonna give a shout out to Travis, the rest of the story, and Ryan from How Farms Work. Travis from the rest of the story, and Ryan from How Farms Work for giving me that little bit of a nudge to want to actually start my own channel off. Because without them actually YouTube it, I wouldn't be having a channel right now. Without them, this channel would never have happened. So if you would please go over to Travis, go over to the rest of the story, watch a few of his videos, like, comment, and subscribe to him. And same with How Farms Work, like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all could like, comment, subscribe to me, I'd really appreciate it. With that, I'll see you next time.